the new Indian Chartered Accounting Scheme, the new ICAI scheme, is what a lot of people are unaware about and are asking that what is this change? Because ICAI has for the first time made a dramatic change in how they're going to actually conduct the exam. So for all the students who generally watch our channel, there are three main changes which you should be aware of. Change number one is the actual subject reduction at the inter-CA or IPCC level and at the final CA level. So what are the changes? IPCC and final CA will now have only 6 subjects each, whereas earlier it was 7 subjects and 8 subjects. Now it will be 6 and 6. What are the 6 subjects? For IPCC or inter-CA, it is going to be essentially accounting, auditing, taxation, costing, financial management, and law. When it comes to final CA, there will be 6 subjects. What are these 6 subjects? There will be accounting, there won't be costing, there will be financial management, there will be taxation, 2 papers, there will be an auditing paper, and the 6th paper is more like a case study, which is a combination of all the other papers. So these are actually big changes for ICAI after so many years. Change number 2 is going to be something that a lot of students actually are celebrating, which is the change in the articleship period. So earlier we knew it was 3 years, now it's going to be 2 years, after which a student will have to wait for 6 months before appearing for the final level. And before starting the articleship, it is mandatory to complete both the groups of IPCC or inter-CA. Change number 3 is the introduction of self-paced modules. Again, something different in ICAI. So for example, ACCA, and for that matter even CFA, have these self-paced modules, which is that students have to complete it because it's more like a prerequisite for the knowledge that they need for the actual exams. An exam substitute, you have questions, you have to answer that. If you don't get it right, you sort of fail and you have to give it again. But none of that actually matters when it comes to passing or failing. So it's more at home, it's more for yourself. And these modules are, for example, costing, which is removed from final CA, is now added as a self-paced module. All right, now all the self-paced modules are going to be mandatory to give before final CA. And there are 4 sets, A, B, C, and D under self-paced modules. Set A and B are absolutely compulsory, and between sets C and D, out of all the modules, it is mandatory to complete 1 each. So guys, I hope that gives you some basic short clarity on the primary changes. We will keep on updating the more technical syllabus changes as well in the future, so stay tuned. But for now, if this is the first time, please subscribe and give us a like if you found any value in this video.